Aptas. Reach Ayurveda to age. My Love for Charaka, the first ever national level video contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2020. Presented by Team Aptas.
Happy Charak Jayanti to everyone. In Charak Samhita, Siddhistan 12th chapter, there is an verse that Jad yahasti tadanyatra jad na yahasti na tat kachit. So it's mean that everything in universe is included under Charak Samhita. Charak Samhita not only used for the treatment purpose but also used for how you will be a good person. Dinacharya, Ritujharya, Sadvitto, there are so much things that if you can properly use or you maintain that, you will be a healthy person. In the time lockdown period, you can easily follow the Dinacharya, and this Dinacharya makes me a early riser from the late riser. Ritucharya, which makes me the sense of to avoid the seasonal disease. Sadvitto have a great role on me, and this Charak also said that there is so much subject or shastra to learn. So in this lockdown period, I am trying to learn Gita, and I am getting so much similarity with Charak Samhita, and the main aim of Gita or Charak Samhita is to achieve the moksha. And in the Charak Samhita, there is a vast description on Ahar, Nidya, Brahmacharya. If you properly use that things that increase your immunity level, and you will be a healthy person. And there is so much things in the Charak Samhita and also in the treatment purpose, but which I am getting benefit, that will that is discussing with you and sharing with you. So again, happy Charak Jayanti.
Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to age.